slept till Christmas. And I was gonna do. We're gonna do a different like. I'm gonna do a vlog and within a vlog. You know what I mean? Like a vlog within a content video. So Brittany dropped Candace off this morning and was like, she did not go to bed last night. Like she was up hecka late, and it's 9:16 in the morning, and look who fell asleep. So I'm pretty sure she's probably gonna be asleep till like at least like at a minimum like I want to say like 11 o'clock, and maybe even longer than that. Like she looks dead tired, and I was gonna stop and go to Panera Bread, but she sleep. I'm not trying to like when she sleep. I do drive through 100% of the time because it's difficult. Like y'all, it's so difficult because she's so heavy, and then like I'm like not to killing, you know. In the Panera, you have to like carry the box or whatever. And so I'm just like, I guess, cause I'm hecka hungry, so I don't know what I'm about to eat. Like, there's nothing near my aunt's house where like there's like a drive-through that has good food besides Chick-fil-A, but like their breakfast is whack. Like they don't, I don't know, Chick-fil-A breakfast is whack. Now the normal food is bomb, so I don't know. I might have to find me a McDonald's or school. No, that's an opposite direction. Gotta find me something. Y'all should get there's like a McDonald's for Sheldon. I don't know, but we're about to find something to eat, so I'm freaking starving. I need to eat something. So y'all wish me luck. So I will see you guys on the flip side. Okay, guys. So in today's special of Vlogmas, we are going to be putting the decorations on the Christmas tree. Besides the lights, y'all already seen that. But today we're gonna put on the ornaments. So yeah, I don't know why they're clapping. So this is what we have done so far. I've been trying to like teach them how to like spread out the ornaments, but you know they're young, so they don't know nothing about that. These are all the ornaments we have so far. I pretty much like you can tell which ones I've done because they're spread out and not all in just the front of the tree. And we have to go. I'll get the back of the tree later. I won't let them do that part. But yeah. So these are all the ornaments. So like I don't know where the star is, so we're not putting star up this year, I guess. But these are all the ornaments that got put on the tree. Like we have like a lot more, but like when it comes to taking off the ornaments, I'm so lazy. So like, ooh, I have something right here because this is just a gigantic blank spot. So just move it like this, and like it's like a lot of our ornaments are like keepsakes and like handmade ones. Like I made this ornament. This is for my name. And things like lots. And like this is from like my second Christmas. The kids put some ornaments down there. And then I put a couple just out, like just back here. Just a little bit. Didn't do a lot. And then on the other side. Oh, and then these ones I've made this one right here, and that one right there, and that one right there. This one's for my mom. And see, there's another keepsake one right here. So, yeah. Well, guys, we hope that you guys enjoyed our Christmas tree decoration video. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.